Welcome back to another Amex Centurion Lounge walkthrough. The one in San Francisco Airport has just been upgraded and expanded during the winter holiday season in 2022, and it is now around 16,000 square feet large, doubling the original size. As later, I'll point out where the expanded sections are located, but get ready, you know what they say, it ain't a Centurion Lounge if it ain't busy. Certainly enough, it was crowded, and it was almost impossible to move my camera slowly without people thinking I'm filming them, so bear with me in this video. The entrance is on the left where I just walked in from. Moving immediately to the right is the original main lounge section. Super crowded in there, avoid this place at all costs. Straight ahead is the main buffet section. We will come back here in just a second. The main buffet section and the bar are located here. It's not a huge place. As later you'll see, there's another section less crowded you can go to. The food selection was alright, typical to Amex Centurion Lounge's standard, but above average comparing to your typical United Club or American Emerald Club food. Everything past here are the expanded portion of the lounge. This long hallway wasn't even here previously, but as more people are using the Platinum card, overcrowding was a daily occurrence of this lounge. Not that it's not crowded anymore, but the new sections really alleviated the crowding issue. The lounge now has 2 shower suites, which there was only one previously. It's obvious that the lounge really aimed to double everything. Now I personally used this shower suite. It was fine, but the water pressure could really use some tuning. It was pretty weak. This is a completely new section. The same buffet items you saw earlier could be found here as well. There's also a larger bar here. So if there's no space in the original lounge, give this section a try. You'll most likely find empty seats here. And here is the little black card user only section. This area is generally quieter. If you want complete silence, there are 2 enclosed suites that you can use in the corner. Overall, the expansion was very welcomed. Doubling the lounge size in every possible way was much needed prior to the upgrade. It was chaotic, but now it feels more manageable, albeit still kinda crowded at times. Time will tell when the lounge will become overcrowded again. With that said, thanks for dropping by. Until next time, bye for now.